what happened is rocket. One rocket cost is $80 million. How much? $80 million one rocket cost. What happened is if any country required rocket, only two persons can provide. One is NASA. The second one is Russia. Okay, rocket preparation, rocket launch, these are very costly things in the olden days. What happened is Elon Musk came into the picture. What that person did is, why rocket is very costly? Okay, why rocket is very costly? Is there any chance to reduce cost so that it's available for the small companies, business companies also, like he thought. What he did is, he cut the rocket into pieces. Okay, I mean, don't feel physical pieces. Okay, so what items are there to build a rocket? Why rocket is very costly? Okay, like rocket engine is the problem, or otherwise, okay, material what we are using is the costly, or process is the costly. Okay, like he identified, he divided into multiple pieces, something like a keema kind of thing. Mutton shop, if you go for keema kind of thing. Okay, like he divided into all into minute micro parts. Then he started asking each part, "Arey, part, why you are costly? Why you are costly?" Okay, like then that part is telling, because I'm using so and so material, or because this is the process required to build this component. That's why either process is the costly or material is the costly. Like then immediately, is it compulsory I require to use this material only? Is it by physics? Okay, we should not change. Is it by science or is it by belief? Out of 100, 90% of the things we are using just because of belief only. Remember this. Then immediately forget about belief. Okay, what if it is not by science? If it is a science, based on science, physics rule, we can't change. Okay, if it is not physics, it's just a belief only. Okay, you are using so and so steel. These days, stainless steel is more strong. Next, stainless steel is available at very low cost. Why I can't replace that with the stainless steel? Yes, you can. One component, okay, replace with a stainless component. Next, and after that, another component, another component, another component. Like he's always asking each and every component. Next, and after that, why? So just because of engine, very costly. Because of engine is also very costly. So why engine is costly again? Thousands of internal components are there. Connecting all these components is cost rising like anything. Not because of material, like wow, wonderful. Okay, these days 3D printing is there. Can I reduce? So all thousands of components into very less number of components, maybe 10 components or 20 components, then assemble will become very easy. Okay, like he identified that currently 3D printing is there. By using 3D printing, he reduces number of components.